All right, so we've gone through a lot of things here, everything from wireframing the document, getting the concept over to the client, designing the site, learning a little bit about UI and UX in our design, how to design it properly for different devices, creating artboards in Photoshop, exporting for the web, and finally really fine-tuning the styling of the website itself using the power of Photoshop. Hopefully now you can see why I chose Photoshop as opposed to some of these other editors. Again, there's nothing against any of the other editors, but they have a lot of downfalls that Photoshop I feel more than makes up for. So hopefully this helps you in building websites, designing them, getting approval from clients, and then taking them to the next level, whether you're the person to develop them or to pass them off to somebody else. If you feel that we went a little bit advanced in any of the Photoshop or the web techniques in this class, please check out some of our other classes where we go more in depth. It'll really get you up to speed. If not, I wish you the best of luck, and please ask any questions. I'll be happy to respond to them here on the forum. Thanks.